Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share the number of openings that are there in the IBM company. So various openings are there, and we also have a referral ID with us, which wherein you can send your CV, and there are chances that you might get shortlisted if your CV is approved over there, right? So let me just share my screen and show you which are the vacancies. Unfortunately, we don't have as such QA or automation vacancies for IBM company, but these are the vacancies. One is MNTO developer, right? 3+ years, location is across. Big data developer, Spark, Scala, again 3+ years of experience. .NET developer, location is Pune, Chennai. PLSQL developer, Pune, Chennai again. Data engineers, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore. Technical business analyst for credit risk domain. It is again Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore. IntelliMatch developer, right? This is for 3+ years, and it is also across the locations. And you can share your email address at this particular, you can share your CV at this particular email address, right? If any of your profile are matching these particular job requirements, right? So feel free to share your CV on this particular email address, right? And we will also share if any other vacancies are there, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and please hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Share this video to the maximum people so that people who are looking for the job can get the job, right? So thank you so much.